Bundles like complete outfits, starter kits, or gift sets can help increase average order value. In this video, I'll show you how to create a product bundle in WooCommerce using the Bundle Press plugin. First, install and activate the Bundle Press plugin from your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New, search for Bundle Press, then install and activate it. After that, go to All Bundles and click Create New Bundle. Select Fixed Bundle. This type is ideal when you want to sell a curated set of products at a fixed price. Now click Select and Build. Let's dive into the settings. Section 1 is Basic Details. Bundle name. This is your headline. Make it catchy like the Ultimate Creator Kit. Short description. Use the built-in editor to explain why these products go together. This appears right on the product page. Categories. Just like standard WooCommerce products, you can categorize your bundles for easier navigation. Bundle Gallery. Upload a primary cover image that shows the entire set and add gallery images to showcase the individual components. Next, we have Bundle Items. This is where you build your set. Product selection. Search and add any WooCommerce product. Bundle Press supports both simple and variable products. Quantity control. You can set a specific quantity for each item. For example, a family pack might include 1 soap and 4 toothbrushes. Variable product logic. This is a game changer. If you add a variable product, you have 2 choices. One is lock a variant. You can pre-select large blue so the customer gets exactly that. Or 2, customer choice. Leave it as any, and the customer will select their preferred size or color right before adding the bundle to their cart. Now let's configure the pricing. This is what drives the conversion. Sum of all items. Bundle Press automatically calculates the total value of the individual products so you can see your starting point. Discount type. You have 3 powerful options here. 1 is percentage discount. Take a flat percent off the total, like save 15%. 2 is fixed amount discount. Give a specific dollar amount off, like save $20. 3 is set price, pro feature. This allows you to ignore the individual prices and set a direct price for the bundle, like selling a $120 value for a flat $99. Discount value. Simply enter the number corresponding to your chosen type. While you're adjusting these, keep an eye on the live preview in the sidebar. It updates instantly, showing you the save badges and the final price exactly as your customers will see it. No more guesswork. Once everything looks perfect, click Save Bundle. Your bundle is now live and ready to be sold in your WooCommerce store. Now let's see it in action. On the product page, the bundle appears with all included products, variations, quantities, and discount details. Customers can review everything and add the full bundle to their cart with a single click. In the cart, Bundle Press automatically applies the discount. Customers see the original price, the discounted total, and their savings clearly. Full transparency from cart to checkout. Whether you're selling gift boxes, fashion sets, or tech kits, Bundle Press helps you increase order value while offering a better shopping experience. If you'd like to try Bundle Press, grab the free version via the link below or upgrade to Pro for advanced features like set pricing and unlimited bundles. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.